some in-cab driver commentary.
I mean, who in the hell takes a truck like this in the mud, you know what I mean?
You know what I'm taking Friday? Cold beer on Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio.
You know who does? You.
It's only spinning one front
Well, I was
wheel.
raised up beneath the shade of a Georgia pine, and that's home, you know. Sweet tea, pecan pie, homemade wine, where the peaches grow. In my house, it's not much to talk about, but it's filled when love is grown in southern ground, and a little bit of chicken fried. Cold beer on a Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio.
35-inch MTR Kevlar.
See the love in my woman's eyes, feel the touch of a precious child,
35-inch BFG all-terrain. You can just see what this hole does. MTRs with Kevlar. Not too easy, folks. Try that with an IFS. My truck tried to do that, I probably snapped a tire off of there. I ain't got that Dana 60 front end.
Some in-cab driver commentary. Randy, tell me about it.
Does pretty good. I mean, who in the hell takes a truck like this in the mud, you know what I mean?
You do, obviously.
You know who does?
Through this little berm here. Now that's pretty cool.
Words of wisdom, man. Tell me that was not freaking a blast.
Tell me not listen to you again.